Uche. 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 What are you doing?
You are asking me that what is exactly I'm doing over here? I want to kill myself. Me coming home.
Why? I've been looking all over the place for you.
You are looking all over the place for me. I'm marrying you for something, no. I'm not marrying you to come and watch my face. You need to watch your face. And people that catch me. Look at the woman when they stand there like this. If not catch, I touch you, we say, I'll be baby. Me want to better if you say me baby. Me come home, don't marry.
Okay. Well, whatever it is, just come down. Just come down and then we can talk about it.
You mean I should come down?
Yeah.
No, me come where? And we are still up in the way, my chocolate tattoo. I told tattoo, me come where? You kill me.
Wow.
I looked at your people fly out. Me tell all my me stop my thing.
Uche, I beg you, what can you patrol? See her for life. Not the old, the young come back. Not the old, it's not the way.
No, but I want to kill myself because I come up with my mama.
If you kill yourself, is that the solution to the problem?
That's a so solid. Me do what me do. Me someone never take the back for no. Me what am I? You mean I should come down?
Yes, come down. Let's talk about it.
You should calm down,
I want to kill myself.
Why? Hey, I play what?
Uche,
Yeah.
come down.
You mean I should come down?
Yes.
You need a life, I'm a damn fool. My friend,
Please.
you want to die?
Yeah.
You should calm down. Put down. Yeah.
Okay, you mean I should come down?
Yeah.
My wife is our dating one. My wife, you don't want me if he sleep and he tell himself the thing happen.
Uche, listen to me. Please calm down.
You mean I should come down?
Yes.
Okay, if I come down for one condition, if I come down and you sleep beside me, I will touch you.
Just calm down first and then we can talk about whatever it is. Uche!
Huh?
Can you please calm down?
I will never.
Please.
No, I will come.
Please come.
I want to kill myself.
Please just calm down and then we can talk about whatever. So you're embarrassing me, okay?
What do you
Somebody
want
comes
to?
here and sees you standing here. What am I going to tell them?
And what are you going to talk about it?
Just calm down.
After
Okay, I promise you. Whatever you want me to do for you, I'll do it for you. Just come down first, please.
you say I should come down.
Yes. Please.
And you no, let me kill myself. I don't want to live.
Please, just calm down. Killing yourself is not going to be the solution for anything, okay?
It can't be because if I touch you, you don't want me to touch you. I'm marrying you for something, no. I'm marrying you for something. If I touch you, you don't want me to touch you, so I want to kill myself. And I'll tell people that you allow me to die.
Baba, Ade, what is it?
I bet you know how it's all been like Jensen, baby. Maybe I'm not saying you should come down, but that's all the back.
Hey, what the boy?
No problem.
What's you over cool? Who
Who call you this for this conversation?
What's over cool? John Manin Kunwa. Eh? I just be what I Tiasi. That BT, I just be what I Tiasi. Huh? Manin Kuno. Why? Manin Kuno.
Ah,
Manin Kuno na yanko. Why?
okay. Hey, I can be what you be to do to Papa. So, hey, why? My book.
Hey.
What do you call my book? I hear your voice.
I feel you.
Where are you going? No. Hey! Why? Ah!
Oh, I feel you. I've been begging you.
Hey, you are begging me, but go away. We will not call you for this. I said go away. We will not call you for this. What are you standing for? I said go now.
Obia Obekun Waja.
It's not about your. Why? What are are you trying to do? Go.
Okay, it's okay. Relax.
Mama, that club because of Kunuma and Bruno and no very fast.
You know something. You know, say, me, I love you. And I care for you. But this thing what you are doing, you cannot help my son. And maybe you want me more. And me work at it. But you don't know.
Okay, but you know, what you did up there was really dangerous.
It's
you know that?
It was really dangerous, but not dangerous for me. And not dangerous for me, and can make you because back like I say, see now, buddy. This one, if you do my country, Nigeria, a good state, you go call them yellow papa. You call them yellow papa. So let's go inside now. But you promise me.
What did I promise you?
Oh, you promised I should get down and we will go inside.
I didn't promise you nothing. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
No, I don't. I didn't promise you anything.
Honey, hey, this is a joke. What are you doing?
It's not a joke. What did I promise you? I didn't promise you anything.
I said I want to kill myself and that you promised that we should go enter. Now you are telling me that you are not promising me.
Go and kill yourself now, Krama bro. Go and kill yourself.
Oh, you mean I should go and kill myself?
Yes, go back and kill yourself because me need your own person Uche. But the Uche na who ya wa you o pechi no. O pechi. O you. What do you hear lebe what? By this time.
And me no be what them na ba ko fa wa. Kramo betu.